File sharing has become very common and a useful feature, especially for people who don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection. This feature comes in handy while transferring large files. Google unveiled its response to Apple's AirDrop in June 2020, a functionality that Android users have been waiting for years. It came in form of a feature called the Nearby Share, which allows you to quickly and easily share links with other Android users without any requirement of external applications. A fun fact is, Oneplus recently ditched its File Dash in favor of Nearby Share. Nearby Share is now available on all Android phones, and if you are not sure how to use it, then don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through it. So let's get going. To kick things off, let's look at how to use Nearby Share on your phone to share something with a contact. It is as simple as sharing something through any other app on your computer, and the process goes like this. Tap the share icon on something you want to share. Tap the Nearby Share icon. Now tap Turn On to enable Nearby Share, and it will ask permission to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location for file transfer. Then Nearby Share will look for a contact to share your link with. Now the available phones will be appearing on your phone. Now tap the phone you want to share with, and that's it. You can use Nearby Share to share links, files and other items on your device, so feel free to experiment and share whatever you want. Nearby Sharing can also be used to share products ranging from best Android phones to best Chromebooks. Since you know now how to share things, but what does the whole process look like from the other angle? If you are receiving a file via Nearby Share, this is what you will see. First, pull the notification panel and turn on Nearby Share. Now tap Turn On, and it will ask permission to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location for file transfer. Your phone will search for what's being shared with you. Once you get this pop-up, tap Accept to accept the share. We are treated to a very clean and clear user interface, once again making Nearby Share incredibly simple to use. The ability to send apps from Google Play to other nearby Android user is a newly added feature to the Nearby Share. This is how the process is done. Open the Google Play app from the phone you wish to share. Then tap on the account icon in the top right corner. Then tap on My Apps and Games. After that, tap on the Share. Now tap on Send. From the receiver phones, follow the same step as the sender phone we did. From the sender's phone, select the apps you wish to send and tap on green send arrow on the top right corner. From the sender's phone, select the receiver you wish to send apps to. The receiver must then confirm the pairing code. The receiver will receive the app and can select which apps to install. Now the apps will quickly be delivered from the sender to receiver. And best of all, you don't need to be on the same Wi-Fi or cellular network to share apps. It all works over Bluetooth. Now that you know how to use Nearby Share, it's time to start customizing the feature so that it works exactly the way you want it to. There are a few different things you can tweak, and they are all worth messing around with. Open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap Google. Now tap Device Connection. After that, tap Nearby Share. Tap your name to change which Google account you share from. Tap the device name to change the name of your device when sharing something. Tap the device visibility to change who you can share with. Tap data usage to choose if you want to use data, Wi-Fi or share it offline. Those final two settings are probably the most crucial, as they have a significant impact on how you can use Nearby Share. You can restrict Nearby Share to only work with specific contacts if you're sharing a confidential file that you don't want to accidentally end up in the wrong hands. You can also hide your phone from the service completely if you don't want other Android users to be able to send you things. The data usage page is also fascinating, especially the choice that allows you to share files exclusively without using the internet. This will make the process take longer, especially for larger files, but it's a good choice to have if you are trying to save data. So that's it from me today. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share it with your loved ones and also enlighten them too. If you want to see more such videos, then do comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to subscribe. This is Manish. You're watching Technspice. Take care. Bye.